morning everyone. My name is Arslan and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So today we will be starting or dealing with some of the examples or numericals based on the topic of unitary method, and I hope that you have watched our previous video that was regarding the concept of unitary method, how to use the unitary method, and we also discussed three examples to make you understand that how do we apply the unitary method in the easiest way possible. So without any further delay, let's start. Example number 1, it says it is 1 not 11. If the cost of 6 cans of juice is rupees 210, then what will be the cost of 4 cans of juice? So what is the thing which is required? The thing is cost. So cost will be on the right hand side. And what is the basis? The basis is cans. So number of cans will be on the left hand side. Those who are not able to understand from where this concept came from, you have to watch the previous video about unitary method and you will understand everything about this. We have discussed everything in details and in the easiest way possible. Now coming to the given that is given in the question. 6 cans cost rupees 210. What we'll do after that? We will say that 6 by 6 will become 1. So 1 can becomes 210 upon 6, and that will be 6 2 3 times and 2 2 sorry 2 1 times and then 2 0 times and then 2 5 times, so that will be 105. Again we will divide by 3 and we will get 3 3s are 9, 1 5 15, that is 35. So 1 can is for the amount of rupees 35. Now for the price of 4 cans of juice, what we will do, we will just multiply 1 by 4 and the right side also by 4. The division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, anything which is done on the unitary method, on the ratio, on the fraction, on the proportion is done on the whole set completely, on the LHS and RHS completely. So 1 can 35, so we will have 4 cans is equal to 35 into 4, and that will be 35 to the 70, 70 to the 140, and that will be 140 rupees, and that is the answer. Coming to the next question. Example 2. A motorbike travels 220 km in 5 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1.5 liters of petrol? So here the thing which is required is distance. So distance will be on the right side and the liters of petrol will be on the left side. After that we will write the things which are given in the question, and that is 220 kilometer in 5 liter of petrol. After that what we'll do, we'll follow uh, this particular order and we'll rewrite that. How we will rewrite that? We will just reverse that. 5 liter gives 220 kilometer. Then we will divide both the sides by 5 and this will give us 5 upon 5 is equal to 1 liter, and 220 by 5 will give us 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, then 2 0 will for 20 again, then that will be 44 kilometer. Coming to the question of finding for 1.5 liters of petrol, we will just multiply 1 by 1.5 and the answer will be 44 into 1.5, that is 66 kilometers is the answer. Coming to the next question. If the cost of a dozen soaps is rupees 153.60 paisa, what will be the cost of 15 such soaps? So now the cost is required on the RHS and number of soaps are to be on the LHS. This will be our order, and after that we are given, what are we given? We are given that 12 soaps, a dozen soaps come for rupees 153.60. What we'll do now, we have the same order as that we require, so we will just start making it 1. So 12 divided by 12 will become 1. So one soap will be for rupees 153.60 upon 12. Now the answer question is, what will be the cost of 15 such? So 15 soaps can be obtained by multiplying both the sides by 15, and the answer will be rupees 153.60 upon 12, that is from the previous step, into 15. Now what we'll do, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Now 4, will it be able to divide 153.6? Yes, because as per the test of divisibility of 4, the last two digits must be divisible by 4 and the number will be divisible by 4. So 4 one times, and this will be 4 3s are 12 and 3s are 12, so 15 minus 12 3. 3 3 is 33, so we will have 8 4s are 32, and 1 6 will have 4 times and then 0. So answer will be 38.4 into 5, which can be written as 38.40 upon 2. That is, it will be 1, 1 8 is 9, and then 1, because when we divide by 2, I'm just trying to make you understand that 3 will be 1 times 1 8 9 19, and then nothing is carried over, so 4 will be 2 times and then 0. We will just shift the decimal place one step on the right, and the answer will be obtained 192.0, that is 192 rupees. That is the answer. In order to multiply anything by 5, just divide it by 2 and multiply by 10, that is shift the decimal on the right one step and you are good to go. Example number 14. Cost of 105 envelopes is itna. How many envelopes can be purchased for rupees 100? So here the number of envelopes or envelope in our Indian style is envelope, and the cost is on the right side. After that, we'll write the parameters which are given to us, and that is cost of 105 envelopes is equal to rupees 350. After that, we have to make it in the same order, so cost will be on the LHS, so we will reverse that. So rupees 350 has 105 envelopes buying capacity. After that, we'll make it 1, so that will be 1 gives 105 upon 350. After that, we may need to make it 100. So 100 will be multiplying by 100. So 105 into 100 upon 350. So I'll write it in a much tidier place so that we can understand that. I will just erase some of the things. So this will be 105 upon 350 into 100. So 0 will get cancelled out. After that, 35 and 105. So if I try to make it like 35 three times, what will be the answer? 5 threes are 15, 1 9, 3 threes are 9, plus 1 is 10, 105. Okay, no problem. 1 times and 3 times, and into 10 will be 30. Therefore 100 rupees will be able to buy 30 envelopes. It will be able to buy 30 envelopes, and this is the answer. Question number 5. A car travels 90 km in 2.5 hours. That is, how much time is required to cover 30 kilometers with the same speed? So how much time is required? So time is required is the answer, is the thing which is to be answered, and the basis is given as the kilometer, and that is to 30 kilometers. The thing which is given is that 90 kilometer in 2.5 hours. We'll convert this into 1 by dividing by 90. So 1 kilometer is for 2.5 divided by 90 hours. After that, we need to make it 30. So 30 kilometer will be 2.5 upon 90 into 30. So 0 cancelled out, 3 for 1, 9 for 3. After that, we will see if 25 can be divided. No. So then we will write 2.5 upon 3 is the answer, which will further be simplified as 25 by 30, and then we will write 5 5s are 25 and 6 5s are 30, and the answer will be 5 by 6 hours. That will be the answer. Coming to the next part. Find the distance covered in 2 hours with the same speed. Now we have to find out the distance. That is, we need to find the distance with the basis of time. So we will just reverse that. We will write over here 2.5 hours for 90 kilometer, and we will start the calculation as usual, and we will write 2.5 upon 2.5, that is 1 hour. We will write 90 upon 2.5, which can further be simplified as 90 900 upon 25. After that, we will write for 2 hours. So 1 into 2 is 2 hours, and 900 upon 25 into 2 is the final answer, which they will then be calculated and simplified. So 25, how many times 900? 1 times, and this will be 25 threes are 75. So 90 minus 75 is 85, 90, 15, 150. So 25, 4, 6 times. So this is 36. 36 into 2 is 66, 72. So that is 72 kilometers. This is the answer. Coming to the next part, and next part is exercise 12.3. So with this we come to an end of today's lecture of solving various types of questions related to the concept of unitary method, and in the next video we'll be starting exercise 12.3. And for those who are or watching us for the first time, do hit the subscribe button and the like button, and in case you are new to our channel, do share our videos with your friends and colleagues. If you want to have any suggestions for us or feedbacks, or if you want to support us, you can just comment in the comment section or connect with us on any of our social media platforms, and we'll definitely reply back to you. So till the next time we meet, keep making notes, keep revising, keep watching our videos. Goodbye.